Today, I'm going to show you how to split PDF pages quickly and efficiently using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you've ever needed to separate a long PDF document into smaller files, maybe you're organizing a report, sharing certain sections with colleagues, or just want individual pages for easier access, this tutorial will walk you through the process. By the end of this video, you'll be able to break up any PDF however you want, with just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and open up the PDF file you'd like to split. You can do this by heading to File at the top left, clicking Open, and selecting your document. It's a simple step, but take a moment to ensure you've picked the right file. Sometimes it's easy to grab a draft instead of the final version, so a quick double check here can save you trouble down the line. With your PDF open, look at the toolbar across the top and click on Tools. From the array of available features, choose Organize Pages. This section is kind of like your digital workspace for rearranging, extracting, or splitting pages. Once you're inside, you'll notice a new set of options pops up. This is where things get interesting. Find the Split button in the toolbar and click it. The software will now bring up the Split Document dialog box. Now, this is where you decide exactly how you want your PDF to be divided. Acrobat gives you a few handy choices in the Split By menu. You can split by number of pages, by file size, or even by top-level bookmarks if your PDF is organized that way. For example, maybe you want each chapter of a manual to be its own file. You'd use bookmarks for that. Or if you need every single page as a separate PDF, split by number of pages and set that to 1. Adjust the settings to fit your purpose. Say you're splitting an instruction manual into individual sections. You might select number of pages and enter how many pages should go into each new segment. Single-page splitting is great if you're dealing with a batch of receipts or invoices. It's worth taking a moment here to clarify your goal, so you pick the method that matches what you need. Next, click on Output Options. Here, you'll choose where your new files will be saved, and you can set up how they'll be named. By default, Acrobat will keep them in the same folder as your original PDF, and add a label like Flash Part 1 at the end. If you're splitting a big project and want to keep things ultra-organized, you might want to create a new folder, or adjust the naming format to something that makes sense to you. Maybe include the date or a short description. Once you're happy with the output settings, click OK to close the Output Options window, then click Split to begin the process. The software will work its magic, and depending on the size of your document, this may take a few moments. Don't worry if there's a slight pause. Acrobat is just processing all those pages. When the confirmation message appears, click OK again. That's it. Your new split PDF files will be waiting in the folder you specified. I recommend you browse through them just to confirm that everything looks the way you intended. Splitting PDFs can be super useful whether you're handling a large contract, an ebook, or just need a few forms from a stack. And there you have it, a straightforward way to split PDF pages in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.